Myself, Vijay Ujjain Suryavanshi, studying in class 2nd year BCom. My college name Srimati Pushpa Tahire, Mahila Mahavidyalaya, Malegaon, Nasik. Today I am sharing my some views on the topic how women become physically and mentally capable. It is a very important topic that the how women become physically and mentally capable. But from my point of view, it is a very important topic. It is neglected by our society. What society think that the woman was weak, incapable and dependent. But it is fully wrong that the woman was never weak, incapable and dependent. But they are all in the insecurities of the male dominating society that makes the girl child weak from the very beginning. Looking at the some other factors, we will find the woman and the girl facing the physical, sexual, and emotional violence in the both private and the public sector. There are the many violence the women are suffering, like the marital rape, human trafficking, domestic violence, acid attack, etc., etc. There is a no point, and from that it is the most important point that the child marriage. Yes, child marriage, where the girls are unsupported to bring force into a marriage at a young age, and she is suffering from a double virtual, both from beginning a child and from beginning a female. Child bride after do not understand the meaning of the responsibility of a marriage. Cause of a such marriage include the view of the girl and the burden from the parents and fear of the girl losing their innocence before marriage. Here our Maharashtra, not Maharashtra but all over India become weak. Giving the responsibility of the home kitchen, like give the responsibility of the get the self education so they can fight for themselves. Even when the woman who is a victim of gender based violence or crime does decide to report, so they can teach the lesson of the victim, teach the lesson of the criminal, so that he can uh, get the punished by the police. But it is wrong, and they have to report against the victim so that he can teach the lesson from her mistake. Here the women become mentally and physically weak. To make them physically and mentally strong, support them in each and every step. We should work to empower community to support individual in case of violence. Our community-based women voluntary should monitor the safety of women and girl child in their area. Provide the emotional support and connect women to the crisis intervention services. Here I want to feeling my chest that in the world where every single male is a son, a father, a husband, but still a father is afraid for his daughter, a brother is afraid for his sister, and husband is afraid for his wife. So I will end my speech with a just a question for all of on behalf of all women, that if all the men are afraid and concerned about loved one, then who are those who creates these stereotypes about us that women are incapable and dependent? Thank you.